Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to take a quick look here at SUI, see what's going on. We're going to jump right into the back-end data quickly, just kind of see where we're at with liquidation. And I want to say thank you again for being an awesome part of my life. Don't forget to hit the like button. Comment below if you get a chance. We take a look here at liquidation. We can recognize that 250 to 260 is that local liquidation range. We can also see just below 210 to 220. So we are technically closer to the upside. More likelihood to break up than down. Also, SUI is confirming very good macro behavior as well as moving better than majority of altcoins in the market versus that of Bitcoin as well. So it's a good sign. Liquidation delta, unlike other coins, is quite high. This basically implies sustainability, more likelihood of further upside with essentially that retest, that local high as a new low. We'll show you on the charts what that looks like, but right now, as I mentioned yesterday, 230 to 235, 238 rather, is that range of open interest, kind of giving us support here in that range, letting us know that the likelihood of this play out here is much higher. Okay, so once more, looking pretty good here. We did not stay or close above 242, but that didn't happen mainly because Bitcoin pulled back pretty aggressive this morning. So standard stuff, but if you look at this, how well the price action is behaving versus that of Bitcoin, it's looking tremendously better. I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit the 83.5 to 82.5K range. If that were to happen here soon, we may see a retest of this low 230 mark. If so, that's still a solid consideration for a long. Taking a look at the daily time frame, we are still trying to fight this 20-day SMA. It's only been a couple of days here so far, but try not to convince yourself that, oh, we closed above that for a 24-hour period and we're good to go. There's a lot of other factors you want to kind of consider, but generally speaking, that would be a positive sign. We're under 50 on the RSI, still haven't broken bullish, maintaining above our SMA, which is good, and of course MACD is converging, stochastic swinging down. So those are generally neutral to bullish in the overall sense here, but we haven't broken bullish. Please understand that. Same thing here as well with a 4-hour time frame. While we have broken bullish for the most part, the sustainability is occurring here when we wick down to basically bounce off that local SMA, which is good. The 20 and the 50-day SMA being above those is fantastic. We're also over 50 on the RSI here as well, so looking pretty strong. MACD and stochastic are pulling back. Those are very standard scenarios though. I'm not really super concerned with that. What we can see here though is this nice little support channel between the local high and the previous open interest range of 230 to 232. So we got a nice little support range here. I'll update our playout chart and I'll post that in our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. It's available. Looks a little something like this if you're not familiar. But generally speaking, this is looking good here in the overall sense. If possible, Bitcoin pulls back just a little bit further, get a good average entry about 230, it'd be really nice. Good news is we were able to capitalize on some good profit from Bitcoin. We had 2 Bitcoin trades open, both totaling roughly 43 and 42%. Near protocol, but we took some SUI profit as well yesterday, roughly about 28%. So good stuff there. I feel like we got in, where did we get in on SUI? 232, yeah, we took 232 to 243 with a little bit lower of an average entry with our second entry target. So all in all, fantastic stuff here. I think further upside makes a lot more sense. There is potential for one last little leg down to this low 230 mark based on the simple fact that Bitcoin could be running its course to retest this local point of control, which is that area of like roughly 83,500, 83.5. If that were to happen, one more leg down from this coin before it pivots and bounces would make sense. We're still honoring our ascending trend line. The hourly time frame is confirming we're in good shape here as well, where most coins are not exuding that behavior. So the likelihood of the continuation higher is greater, pending Bitcoin doesn't make a run towards like 80,000. We should be good here in this range of 230 to 238. So that's kind of an area of interest for me. I'm just going to wait for this one last leg down, if there is one, to essentially catch that next low there, roughly for maybe even a second long at 232, right? Good stuff. All right, folks, that's all we got. Hope you learned something here today. Thank you so much again for watching. Look forward to seeing the next one. Take care.